Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and Gmail pictures. So I'll go ahead and open up my Gmail right here. Or you can click on Google Apps and open it up from here as well. That's perfectly fine. So we're just waiting for this to load up. And then all you want to do is come here, click on the top left and click on Compose. Okay, go ahead and click on that. Now, you want to come here and put the email of the person you want to send the email to. You can add a subject, maybe images, right? And then just add a body of text if you want to. Find attached, right? And now to add images, you just come here. You can either click on insert photo. You can also insert files from your drive, or you can attach files to this, or you can even drag and drop. I'll show you the drag and drop method first. All right, so here I have my images. All I need to do is highlight these images, drag and drop right here. As you can see, all the images are uploading, and they're uploading within the body of text. If you want them to attach as a normal files, you can come here, click on attach files. And now it opens up my file explorer. Let's say I want to go ahead and upload this file and this one right here. Click on open. And as you can see, they're uploading as files being attached right here, as you can see. And it's really that easy and simple. Just come here and click on send. And I'll show you from my end. Click on view message. Right, this is what it will look like. So here we see with the body of text, there'll be images. And then if I scroll down, there'll be other images attached as an attachment, okay? And these come in the body of text. So let me show you from this end. So if I come here and refresh this, this is what it looks like, as you can see. And it's really that easy and simple.